Hi, my name's TJ and I'm a digital learning consultant for QA, and I help coach, mentor, and tutor apprentices through their apprenticeships, and I deliver level 3 ICT apprenticeships and level 4 network apprenticeships. I've been involved in apprenticeship training for just over a year now. However, I've been involved with apprenticeships for about 6 years. And I actually started doing a level 4 network engineering apprenticeship myself. I saw an opportunity and thought that I'd quite like to help apprentices go through what I've done and pass on what I learned and what I thought would have been really beneficial to have helped me through. I feel being an apprentice myself and coming into this role helping apprentices has been extremely beneficial because I've been sat where they've sat before. So I've come in at day one with that anxiety. Can I fulfill this? Do I know what I'm going to do? Can I take it on board? And the answer is absolutely yes, because if I can do it, then you can do it. So the IT and the networking courses, two separate things. So let's start with the IT one. So this is more for an IT technician, sort of providing support, maybe on a help desk, dealing with user queries and issues. IT things break. So they'll come to them and they'll learn how to troubleshoot and identify these issues and recurring problems and help resolve them. With the network engineering, that's a different kettle of fish. There's some IT involved, sure, but we've got the backbone infrastructure of networks, how they operate, the equipment, the hardware, configuring them, and essentially what your IT office setup would kind of sit on, and it's that network that allows that to happen. The apprentices will learn a lot in their apprenticeships, and much more than I can remember off the top of my head, but you're looking at cloud platforms like Azure and AWS, looking at troubleshooting and problem solving, how to rectify issues, but also you've got the soft skills like how to prioritize your work and organize yourself, and just general work etiquette as well. The tech industry is always evolving. However, QA does its best to keep up with it, and it is forever adapting the ways we work, the quality we provide, the content that we give to the learners, and the knowledge that the tutors pass on. The courses are forever evolving. So part of the apprenticeship is apprentices getting hands-on within the workplace and getting that real-world experience. So you've got the academic side that QA provides, and then you've got the workplace, which the workplace provides. So I work with the apprentice and the manager. It's almost like a three-way team, and we ensure that they get the best hands-on experience through what's required from the apprenticeship and communicate with the manager to ensure that they will get exposure to those areas within the workplace. So there's many different support structures put in place for the apprentices. For example, they could come to me. That might not be their first choice, but I'm their DLC, so I can help them with anything academic, the technology aspects, the portfolio work, whatever it is to do with the course. They've got the tutors that can go to as well. If they've had live events and live classroom sessions, they want to know a little bit more about what they've learned, or maybe something didn't quite set in, they can go and talk to those. And learners can also contact learner support if they've got different learning needs. The way QA set out the programs for the apprentice is for them to develop and grow within their job role and in the industry that they're in. So by the time they're finished, they are more than ready to take the next step. And often, a lot of the time, those apprentices actually stay on with the workplace that they've started with. The most rewarding thing, I think, of working with apprentices is seeing them develop. I see them at day one. When they come in, we discuss the background and what it is about the subject matter they know at the moment. And sometimes it's very little. They've just come straight out of school, they're not too sure about it, but that's why they're here. They're coming into the apprenticeship to learn on the job, and that's what I had to do as well. But it's when you see that development and you see the penny drop, and also obviously at the end when they pass, and we get to tell them they've passed, it's great.